Casper coin is currently trading at 18 cents, guys, with a $506 million market cap. It's ticker CSPR. Before trading and hodling this, guys, what is Casper coin? Casper is a platform designed to boost the adoption of blockchain technology, smart contracts, and dApps on a global scale. With its future-proof architect, Casper is designed to ensure the platform is continually developed according to the evolving needs of its users. As per the official white paper, Casper is optimized to suit both enterprise and developers' needs. And also, their mission is to usher in the new era for Web3, and also the demand of interconnected services continues as it grows across the board. So basically, this thing is going to be updating, be able to be used with different types of software. This is really cool when it comes to cryptocurrency, guys. So before checking this out, before jumping into this, guys, make sure you guys read this whole entire page, understand it more. But let's get to that market information. Where can you guys trade and hodl this at? QB Global, Get.io, CoinList Pro, OKX, MEXC, and CoinX. I don't see some of the other bigger ones, but this is the ones that they have. So they can be traded and hodled. Now, I didn't find a price rating for this, so if you do find a price rating out there, guys, let me know in the comments below. Well, let's check out some news. So here's the biggest news happening around the crypto space. Check this out. I'll have a link below. But the biggest thing I found out what's happening to Casper Coin is on the Twitter page, so I'll head to there in a second. Let's check out their website. Also, a great place to find out more information about what's happening with this cryptocurrency and how to use. And if you're a developer, you can actually see how you can be able to take advantage of this. Now let's hit their Twitter page. So they just did a big conference on in Puerto Rico about cryptocurrency and their platform. So check that out. They also have this platform for Puerto Rico for different types of crypto being talked about, I think once a week. I'll have that all posted below, so please check that out if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, what's happening, the news about that. Let's hit the Reddit page, guys. So if you guys want to follow the Reddit, they have a whole bunch of things about this too, so check that out, learn more about what's happening in the crypto space. All right, but let's check out and let's do that price prediction, guys. So I want to start out really big when it comes to this because this is pretty impressive. All right, we're on the monthly, and you can look at it. It's extremely like flatline. Like you're talking about like 18 cents, 15 cents, stuff like that. But it had a rocket up to $66. Hear that? Understand that? Like 15, 16 cents to $66. Absolutely insane. So we're gonna go to a lower time frame. Let's go to the daily. And we're going to zoom in a lot more. Give me a second, guys. This is going to take a little bit. Just want to give you guys a big perspective on what's happening to some of these cryptocurrencies, how they are just growing, and then they take off like a rocket. Like, that would be insane gain. Like, I would be super happy to go in there with like $100, a couple $1,000, and then $66? What? But we're not going to talk about liquidity issues, all that stuff, but now let's look at the daily. This, minus that big giant rally up, we're going to exclude that. That's like, seems like more like market manipulation to me, especially when it comes from like a Forex background. If you look at this, it's been on this move up pretty steadily. But since it's so like volatile because of that extremeness, I would not trade this. I'm going to look at it from a hodling standpoint, guys. And that's how I'm going to approach it. So let's do the analysis from there, okay? So you can easily tell that this is on a really good up movement. You can tell from here. And even now, this trend is really doing pretty good. I like how strong it is and how the wicks are. So hodling this shouldn't be a big issue if it heads in the same direction. If not, it might head down lower. All right, so what are currently at is at the 18 cents level. And for me, guys, hodling this is not going to be a very complicated thing, but I will have my price target. My price target is going to be very simple. Where is it at? We're going to go to the 2618. That's going to be 23 cents basically. But this is how I am going to do it. So for me, I'm going to enter it as market. So first thing off the bat, market in. So I'm in 18 cents. Bam. And how I would do it is this: if I say today's Friday, I got paid today for my job, I'll allocate $100 out of my paycheck, just an example, and throw it into this right here, into Casper coin. And every single Friday from there, I'm going to keep on adding into my position till it gets near this 23 cents level. So if it hits 23 cents, I'm definitely going to be exiting my position, a lot of my position, so I can get my money back. And now there's a no risk trade. I can let this run, and if it keeps on going higher to $66 again, then I can just take profit. If it goes down lower, I don't really lose anything because I took my money, my original capital out. So that's what I want to do. Make sure I can let that run and make my trade as risk-free as possible. If it heads down lower, you see these wicks right here at the 15 cents level. There's a lot of these there's a couple wicks right here. If I'm gonna hodl, I'm gonna plan it in the future. I can do buy limits down here too. So if it heads down lower, I can get a better price. But basically, as I get paid, I will keep on entering and entering. Because when I meet a lot of people who trade or get into cryptocurrencies, they don't have a real entry plan or an exit plan. So this is a good entry plan for hodling. I get in on a set period with a set amount of cash in dollars or whatever currency you're in, implement that in so I don't have to like guess about my strategy. I know exactly what I'm doing. I'm like, I'm going to buy here, 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 and here at these prices on this weekly schedule. And I'm going to exit. How about that for me? I'll exit at 23 cents to get my original capital back and then let the rest run. And if I'm incorrect on that and it goes down too low, guess what? I will exit. So if it goes down lower, 10 cents, 9 cents, I don't mind taking half it out and getting half my money back out. That's really risky when it comes to hodling, but I would exit a whole lot earlier. I'm just giving an example that have an exiting plan, an entry plan is always important when it comes to trading and investing. It'll keep you on the right track so you're not getting blindsided to huge market manipulations or market movements like this right here. So that big giant $66 massive candle up, I don't even know what the liquidity would be on that, but I bet a lot of the bag already left with that, but it is here now there. But what I took is this, right? For me, for this, I would attack this weekly, get in, exit, and handle it that way. If you have any questions or comments on how I establish this, where I would put my stops, just ask below. We can have that conversation. We can build this up and talk about Casper Coin. But guys, let's get to my website so you guys can learn more about what I do. So I just updated my website. I added some Fiverr and contracts. So if you guys want to learn more about programming and MetaTrader 4 or your own custom indicators or alerts, I'm building that right now. So let me give you some time. So if you guys are looking for advancing your Forex trading or cryptocurrency trading, just let me know. I also have my own online academy, which I'll show you in a second, but my own education for Forex and crypto trading and stocks and money management. But this right here is my crypto portion. I will be updating even more, adding more content on there. So just let me know what I can add and how I can utilize it. Here's that education portion, guys. I have Forex education videos, stocks education videos, and financial education videos. If you want to learn more about that, you can DM me or hit me up on my website. But that's the video, guys. Thank you guys for making it to the end. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.